in Jusola. Alaya long nangani mu menti bi wolem ko Cairo mentol dalta na patio kono ngo Cairo soto nga foko soto nga prepare pour 2026 kaje ko bankobe stage o mento nga bondu kono wo is very very important wole mun tala nganiyati wo nganiye soto la nyamento nya ndeta fono la komen ko ame perfect human being nto fono la ndemo hadama dingol le in fact atulu menu kala la moy ani menu binal la moy la wala fanga hakilo warata ntol dol fanga ntol dol men katra diamola so nda fono la komen ko ndeka memfo is going to be the perfect goal honey but cooking I can guarantee wala mnyintiko mbe kumo kuma fola mba bonde come from my heart, for my party and for my country. Andu mba fola ni mbunya ani horomo kono. Mbe kuma kangol men fola mbabe fola bunya ani horomo kono. Nda mali nyo horomo nga nyo bunya nga nyo respect mba fola wala kono. Andu nin atra misale fe na diamolu fanang. Ase mo fanam ma moye aje komenko amanyan na kuma kangol men fola ngolel fo. Then say hakilo tunya because ma wuli wakama. You know, so we can start from there. Follows ML Jabi, na sister Zainab ngal be kontong ani momoro nimbejang ngal be kontong ngal tolfo mal tolfo. No, EB, you are not going anywhere. E-boy, you are not leaving UDP now because you are crying. This is what we want to talk about. This is exactly what we were going to talk about. Kajeko, iteba EB fella E-boy siseko, brother, today I'm leaving UDP now because I'm crying because all the people. Wale nsijang. This is a party that survived more than 2 decades of brutal dictatorship with everything in hand. Let us not forget about that. The whole executive party was arrested and put into prison. Those are times of despair and times of trying times. Yenna molu fa hanisa mantilin kaburo kono ntolla mira lonka nkana diamol menf nyine mu patiyo mi alonko ase mira solo sande nyolla ase mira Sadio Kunjan Sane nyolla ase mira Femi Peters nyolla. This is a party mi alonko a struggle to a fight of Gambia with blood and sweat of the members. Nyine mu patiyo mi alonko. The members are tortured, killed, beaten, and sent into exile. Yes. Nsa frustrate nole, yes. Nsa kamfa nole, yes. Nsa desperate nole. We have that right. But looking at the situation at the moment, looking at what the Gambia, the state Gambia is at the moment, looking at the hardship our people are experiencing, looking at how difficult the situation in Gambia is, we can be frustrated, we can be desperate, we can be angry sometimes, but we cannot give up. We cannot give up. It is a high time, if this is the right time, to renew our commitment to the values of this party. If we can survive those times, if we can survive more than 2 decades of a brutal dictator, if we can survive and put a president in the State House when all our executive members were arrested, if we can survive the torture and the killing of our people, I see no reason, Kaji Komenko, Molu Bafala, we are leaving the party. You are going nowhere. This is democracy. These situations, things like this, a double-edged sword. Double-edged sword. ay profito soto le ay disadvantage soto le ay advantage soto advantage men be nyina wolem ko it is going to make us to think, to sit together and put our minds together and learn from the whole situation. Ñun façon lu te bay no la ñin diamo si fal fanante bay no la sometimes because kafo waratale kafo manke kafundinti. And of late we are having different new people inside with different mentalities and different mirror and in generation be falinkan. Bari Ibo Sise ngana diamo plan nyame ngana typical plan nyame yen change the demanding. I have to go back to that, but coming lafitai tan la ko many yalon ka tulu many yalon ko I left the despair I left the desperate I left the kamfala I left the give up la nka fale na komen ko this is not the right time to do that. In fact, this is a situation that should make us stronger and make us do exactly more than what we have been doing for this party and for this country. Because ntekungo believe ta men na believe ta value le la wala mo value so men believe ta man believe ka fa ko men ko hada madingo in person. But in believe ta patiola fonkola. Patiola values wo values ni believe ta wala and ni kafu ba soto. It is nisol basic knowledge julu kile wala. But the main important we learn from every situation, we learn from it. And I am 100% so. The party leadership is working day in, day out. Can make sure these things are put together. And this is a test of their leadership. The party leadership, the party executive, the diaspora leadership and the diaspora executive, the chapter leadership and all the chapter leadership. Mbe boringol menke kanyambe kolea cool men take kanyambe cool menke kanyang nkake patiele, but in extension nkake puru Gambiale. Ndebe sirin jang nina dimbayal alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin itebe sirin Germany dobe sirin America dobe sirin banku dolkar alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin but ngamira suwo kono la bang nin tata li fola nitile bota jang itata li fola hani ni mun kodi le bota jang I wulita dai lo men fanka matuma do baro dai lo fambuga keno. Amawo me bake one of the ntolu fango la barima do abotna Gambian kai ko muntu me mura ko nye he akonye nkoto ke ntela muru wota be kolela lankai why akonye nkoto ke nin ko do men tata pour na leave for drone 2 weeks leave for akonye hajul dol ben kunna ban nin ko do men tata la fo maybe wuli kemelul akonye bari nga be spend le fon te fo malo nga spend nyame anum bota jang hajo men fon la nim fe manjara wot akonye tata la bangolo. What happened was not a problem because of the situation on the ground. But ningo bela ndi bantala. Men kante motivate wolemko. Patio form te nyadile, mim patio sot te nyadile. Men kante motivate as a human being for this party is mojuma lelu tambita. Nim patio. Fonte wole miralaba. Because ndeka menka nim patio. Ndeka malu le fan kofo anunka sile le fan purka wolof because ningo kuma si falfo. My mind goes to the people many alanko ifata nyimpatiye. My mind goes to the people many alanko they pay the ultimate price, that is the life, their lives. Nkamira mol lele mol tocho many alanko 4 years sene obekata nyimpatiye obesota nyimpatiye lokon, and some of them are alive. Therefore, ndeka menke nyimpatiyo ndebuka hanyi kawo fofang. To me is very small, and not only me. But coming Ibo nga fo nyameng nga program on you start nyamen left titan lele coming konte tonya with all these things. Left the men follow it and wole mune munte la positionoti ndela lojet mune munte la positionoti. Positiono mi alonko among Honorable Ousainou Darboe Kumpa. Positiono mi alonko among Talib Ahmed Bensouda Kumpa. Positiono mi alonko among Rohey Malick Lowe Kumpa. Positiono mi alonko among Yankuba Darboe Kumpa. Positiono mi alonko among executive members Jamal Kumpa. Left on program start la wol. Ngani ndiamo ke Honorable Ousainou Darboe Basirin Yankuba Dabo be siri wo bengotole Rohey Malick Lowe be siri wo bengoto Talib Manta siri wo bengoto bada bijel nko Ousainou Darboe le nyim banko lonka tambinte lalo jetla ani mojama Ousainou Darboe le ke ba siata katntati Ousainou Darboe mun da famalet Ousainou Darboe le wisdom o siata ntati because muna alfa le ay menje maje nko ning Ousainou Darboe with all what he went through ako abe lola election na 2026 nko hani malaiko le nata konyeko Ousainou be boylale mbafala malaiko e na baraka bare mbe bulala normal nata te yewula decide mbe bulala normal nko bari ning for one reason or the other Ousainou ida akate lola wala malafi menna alana na okay Nkondel, I want to be a neutral voice. I want to be a voice me ya lonko as a please sabat no patiokon. I want to be that voice me ya lonko as I make so komenko patiola lua le saratol na la protocol ngabula wonoma nim patio e mentam bin bebula la wala no. Ndengo fole Ousainou Darboe nyala nga fole Yankuba Darboe besiri nga fole Rohey Malick Lowe besiri. Niaje mbo fole jang is because nakulu sometimes aka koleale. Ni tele bota jangita Gambia, you meet Ousainou Talib Ahmed Bensouda Safa about Talib La Cample. Ni tata you go and meet Rohey Malick Lowe iko about Rohey La Cample. Ni tata you meet Yankuba Darboe le noma. But me, nte ni ala temo anungo fole Ousainou Darboe besiding and mo jamal besiding. Na for la ba mo Spain le. This is my position. But ning Ousainou Honorable Darboe manna law. Because of one reason or the other, Nko, I want to be the neutral voice. I want to be part of the neutral voice of the party. Because nim anu as a keno mo kili mo fula saba ol bebe la fila ka position ni ndeta la fila ni UDP mo do fa mano ben kalon ka nyoneng nka nyo garu wale ndeta la fila wala mela vile kele moleti mi ya lonko asebula grupo mense mo tola mala sa fo ko hey alenga bula lual nim processo nim protocolo noma nim momo ya win mbenga bula noma nga election o win nga banko falling. This is my position. So I want that to be clear to everybody. Presently, party leader sort. Yes, honey party leader maybe 100% more better left like I law, but womunna democratic rights or lelt. But into the nyanda menkela wolemko right now we have to just respect the institution. Another lualu until the time comes. Ndalita menna nkake. Ika understand? Ndela posono munyinet. Bari nyindia mo mem fana mbekering. When somebody damento wala mnyindia mo mem mbekering amanta surprise de. Alinga tonya fo nyoye. 2021 ntatlenga almost 1 month nim party la entourage banko be yaile. Ntolu tonya tumadoba don safo ala maybe it's a positive thing or it's not, but ala ntolu samba security la side le anu kabrin nata jam fanan ngado ko dole kele wo side la wo ngofu mu nekama wolemu nimbe dulaton katara cross roll la le mbe data lu pick la, you know, mbe informational gather la, mbe sila mbe kafla nyoma mbe mira la mbe analyze la mbe joints of cool kafla nyoma to put the joints together. Wo hanni malafa la nkawaleke. At this moment, I will not support any of these two 25 here. Former, nga ko nyimbula je falo. Kom nga fo nyame ntolu, sorry for the digression. Njolu dolo hanata malafi wola nka wokele. Nimmolu patiela molu entrazo yaite banko bekan. And I was watching, I was observing, I was collecting information, I was gathering information and everything. Kabirin Nata Jang after 2021 election, it was a duty upon me to brief my chapter, Walaketa Gas chapter. Na first meeting, nga briefing on different points there, but all dolibina on different for another topic. 2021, alilamoy. Na briefing to my chapter nga meeting dila wala minti konko. Na korosiro nina analysis nina kuol kafu nyomo ayen samba dulaleto. Nga men final ay fen dinna wala minti ko. Na korosiro to ngajele ko na funding kewlu. Men be pati yokono. Mini alanko, they are aspiring, they have this feeling. You be a feeling men sort of wala mukomenko 2026 ke battle. Nko na korosiro wala dinna. From our mayors, our chairmen, and our Muslim party executive, nko nga information men gather. I made it in a wala mukomenko. Na funding kewlu, they have this feeling komenko ke battle 2026 and they are preparing themselves. Moloka Memfo it is only Talib also. It is all of them. At that time, Yankuba was not a chairman. But Talib was chairman. Rohi was a chairman. They were all aspiring for it. They were all thinking about it. Ankana nyonani. Wato na broda do fana be pati yokono. Maybe mta to mention ibe nyi feeling na soto. Ko ke battle 2026 on some prepare. Ndela analysis na hakilo imendina aninga wole brief na chapter. One of the topics me alonko ngaf. Nko bari ibe preparation ke ka nyaming. Ayen sila de. As a problem do samano nane in 1 or 2 years time. Wole mumunti nko usenu dago man group soto de. Andi mantre fam prepare kan ko usenu ka nyaming. Iko mune wodu nko usenu dabo ndelalo jiti sa bojan ngana karaban ji dimal mangana neta siti ngata mangana moto pak ngata dung usenu la sida nyimma nyinkon ngasi nae kacha lang kunting sabo kunting anana silipa aso be singo be kuraring ayta dung usenu la bunko na siala salo kona ni usenu kacha nko wolati na the party militants, the party grassroots, the party alfalu inyoita usenu bunya party militants ole usenu kanu. Because because money ati nango for all Gambia no tano mu group because I have a personal experience in that. Gambia no tano mu group wallet. Ni lota drone commanding gelado ni ye modo mo men group ya bula tema ike no kuma samanan sai. Ni momo ko be katalela ye chonchu. Ni momo ko be tonya afale ye chonchu. Nko wole mun nasilandati about Gambia because no personal experience of the mintole when I was working at the State House ya jamela time. Molu menye ya jame kuru ya buletema abadi ngolu fango ika wole fango stop puru kakatel. Because nga experiences of abadi ngolu dolu fango tata a chance of the puru kata karang. Praye mako because of other people who sponsor kang. Some of those group because in mantra o group okono some people are stopping them. I had to pick some of those people in a paper solo, in a document solo, because imagine offer. So Gambia no the biggest problem group or wole in sila. But ka foko menko mo killing intentional sort of aspirational sort of presidential aspirational sort of after 2021 election. What the tonyati? A Talib Rohia Yankuba Kabrakata from Koti. And that is a good thing. Because that means bao usino misadabo fango member ko momo benyim pati yo kono imanyin hamoso do purka nyim pati yo lead wala kanyim banko mara oroma barak. So ninna funding kolo be from prepare and they feel confident coming they can lead this country. I said that's a good thing. But what we have to do is we have to talk to each other purun benga na bula kulun kilun kono kana ke group because tonya mo be te la lo jete kanu nola. Mo beete moro tunkara kanu nola. Bari mo be sa patio kanu nola nga Gambia kanu. Anu nga lafi the big thing walk on the table pour patio se win. Now for 2021 anu nga mensila je wala binak wala findita thing at this moment wala diamo 2021 I said it. After spending 1 month in the Gambia with the party executive, going around the country, listening to people, collecting data, information, collecting them, gathering them, analyzing, sit down and analyze them. This was my conclusion. Now for in 2021. Ano amanke komen ko ni mayol drone nemu. Mayol anin chairman ol drone intention to lead the country. Men hollow water drone. Why do they think that komen ko they are the natural heir to Ousainou Darboe? Wala mo ndela jahali ko de mune ya tinnan to la mayol na chairmanolu woli akbika kamunda ndefe wala nyame to ya me ko men ko ito lemu natural ketalati Ousainou Darboe la place mune ya tinnan Nyim Patio has a lot of people they are competent enough to be leaders. A lot of people they are competent enough in the Gambia and in the diaspora. Na chairman only mayoli menke drong wolemko. They went to the Gambia. They went into the modes. Itare brother potokono. Yenda wodo nela bari told them ma manke the natural hair to Ousainou Darboe la plaso. They believed all. Molu be Gambia le party economy alanko they can be presidential candidate. They can replace Ousainou Darboe. Molu be diaspora le mi alanko they can replace Ousainou Darboe. Bari mbe mem fanam foka mba repeat la ko tenke ali video nying ali nga share so that mo jama sala moy nse nyoso no hakilo la nyame. Momon baji ben kan ni asa be diala nyebakel. Ako Fanta Baro, please don't distract us. Fanta Baro jumale wodi. Alinga nyoso hakilo la drong manna jang puruka nyo neng manna jang puruka nyo kele manna jang ngafo menka mon kombe dia mo start la prunga nyo respect nga dia mu nyo hormone mbunyaka niya janga nyim kuma kango fonang. I just want to remind people the history of this party. Wala mun na tat topic bari nga cool nyen start wala. My fellow UDPians, my fellow Gambians. Nyempati dunda kuja mala kono de. But right now, the moment bekere wolemu na UDP chairman only mayol. I will call you people out. Talib Ahmed Bensouda, Rahim Malik Lowe, Chairman Yankuba Darboe. London Sane, definitely speaking, motel landing accused no la nyimbru ha hakono. Yes, but I told you more sabo. You owe it to us. You owe it to us to bring sanity to this party. You owe it to us. You owe Ousainou Darboe and his elders to bring sanity to this party. India moment be caring at more sabo. I told you position at this moment, which is a good thing. Albedoku Kendola, and we are supporting you people. But sanity and anympati kono atulle sakeno albakela nyadile. I can tell you, I can give my own simple idea. Talib Yalon ne monu menuka defend promote Facebook. He knows that. He knows that. Yankuba Yalon ne monu menuka promote Facebook and online. He knows that. Rohi Yalon ne monu menuka promote Facebook. He knows that. To bring sanity to this party, we disagree without being disagreeable. We are one family. At the end of the day, today, right now, Ousainou Darboe is the party leader. And the process all next year, no sita. Ni Ousainou Kabe Lola, fine. Na Kate Lola for no process all before. Ousainou never forced himself onto us, the party. I have always witnessed Kaje Komenko, nim process on your starter, ika advertisement kela hanif you newspapers. Kamolu invite na many along confirm imanke party mantra party for everybody to apply. Pour molia apply. So ni wato sita. Ni Ousainou Darboe lo salamun salmin. Nama lo salamun salmin atulu chairman ni mayole and any other person Because them are manke more qualifying what. Tonya, we must give you the credit. Aliesilo Mutajanne, Talib could have stayed in Canada, Kabata school. Yankuba could have even stayed in UK. Rohi was in Sweden, she could have stayed there. But Aliye courage, so Aliye heart, so to move to Gambia, prior you go and put your foot in the mud. Aliye nendrol ning kelol ning everything obey taki. Bari ali nyanta sanity sambal na mo la pat yokono de. Nyimburu ha men be kaka Facebook or nin social media to men no kake di al ni be nyolon ne de. Al ni be nyolon ne. Momo ninka mem promote yalon. Ale telephone sika aliya for ko stop ale nyo mention that divide ala stop. Nima stop for if you are doing it in my name, don't do it in my name. You three people are nyanta okelale. But your militants all near bekuyari ni at this moment. No call soul men soto jang. Kabring you lungu be kono. Ndengo call soul men so ndemi yalon ko ndemu rifra fol ripat yokono manke fenti. Ndeme yalon ko ndemanke rifra fol ndemanke fenti ndemu rifra fol ripat yokono. Ndengo call soul ni message soul men soto. Asiya batale. Asiya batale. Suo kono atay busol yusol men yalon ko be pati yokono ni be atay be sidi be la ibe la atay le be kuma kan men fokan. Banko independent people ol fana membe jikini UDP la ko UDP ni ata misal fe ya trying in party dol fana join to nyokan the better 2026 sa Adama Barrow bondiji bari bi wodi amol membe siare mo jamal be jiklate kam particularly mol men yalon ko mantan na party yokon men yalon ko mantan na party yokon but they don't want Adama Barrow's government because banko be coloring. Some of them are discouraged. But in the despondency is important. Alkana lose courage la. Alkana give up. But the mayors and the chairmen, ale wuli, ale telefono sika, ale diamo, al supporter solie. It is normal. It is democracy. It is democracy. Mo bete mo kilimo la finola. Me molu sotla le ngani yebedo on my friend nin kariketa fonkote nin kariketa presidential candidate kel president oh be bete ya balal do ba fala no but ndenga me this is what is happening nin because yala ninko kafoko kampu killing kampu fulawo les ngalinga tonya fo nyoe political movement wolemu the creation of narratives. Everybody many yalon ko nyin mo sabol many yalon ko bebe ko who Fanta Barrow jumala nyindi Musa al kamen na kumo it's not the solution and moreover everyone has the right to say their ambition mbaka yalon tebuka ndefana mu kiankole did sometimes manke badi bunko de kiankole munde nana da computer ni famol nana ni computer ni famol Musa dam la brother la mundina so Nkame mfali ya wala mnyintu kafako kampu killing kampu la lemu. My friend moja male bintu la pati yoko mini alon ko they want ilaftai useno dabo ketala. They want to be the next leader. It's not only Talib, it's not only Yankuba, it's not only Rohi. And that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Because wala democracy. But sanity nyanda tala pati yoko nole. Go. Example of Mendi Yankuba Dabola selection. No? Almost 16 people were that was very, very controversial. Very, very heated nomination process. But Atle I win, Molia Diatella, and everybody fall behind him. So wole nyanta kela Nadia more this point at this moment will coming Benjamin that will go. Political ambitions and aspirations starts from the creation of narratives. You have to create a narrative. It can narratively create more people start talking about it. While people are talking about it, you make your own brand. You are creating your own brand. And this brand, you go and sell it to the people. You go and sell it to the people. And when the time comes, if the people feel that Hitler brand is what they like, they vote for you. All of these three people are doing it. Rohi ala fansum narrative le soda ala fansum brand. Helping women. Talibi ya fansum brand le soto. Yankuba ya fansum brand le soto. And they are all selling it to people, and different people with different feelings will fall for either Talib, Yankuba, or Rohi. Barifanang, niyaje mba fola nying na chairmanol ni na mayor le ye sanity create party kono wala mnyintiko. Ye kuoku no is because of the UDP militants. Without UDP, they are nothing, huh? Without UDP, they are nothing, huh? Because example, Talib be mengomen cake and KMC. Yankuba be mengomen cake and BAC. Rohi be mengomen cake and Banjul. Landin Sane be mengomen cake and Banjul. Nintelalo jete fanane tata cake canifing. If I don't do more, I will not do less. If I don't do more, I will not do less. So it's not about the name. It is not about the family. It is not about anything. It is about the party. Nyummo sabolu be ni UDP mol man loy koma ita winna nga Banjul la election kalamtala mayor Rohey Malick lola election nga kalamtala. This is a memory me alonko is still in our head. Kuma kangol meni fata kuol meni kata. But UDP call particularly back in Tobacco Road. It will look nyo langa Rohey Malick lola nyo vote. Some of the people yemira far manning but ibun call tatambita menla in the business atmosphere. Nga Talib Ahmed Bensouda la election o kalamutale in KMC. Ani Mustafa Toure nyolo tale. Kata Fenken Jai nyolo. Lot of people. Musa Jammeh, a comrade Musa Jammeh, member UK, or from one of the Lola, but people convinced Prayabula. So UDP militano lenata kabraya soto ibienata jointa I lotakoma. Yankuba Dabo the same thing. Landin Sane the same thing. So ninna na futa stage to stage o mi alonko. India mulbe siarin for UDP militano look at frustrate. Right now, mfangala muso fela ba safe kenjanko akala timo molo improve dolbeji ila blood pressure ila blood pressure selatale. Munebo wo sabula because sai ningata misal fi atlo kal parta ka kebalu keta Usenu Dabo ning karte o fayo kata lumena o samo sinino buka mojala suokono. Before the election, Mama Jalisa said a wurla, music be wurla, suokono be fari, ni solo be kafa every day. Ni election obota results will be the following day buka moje. Baru be kole akuo. Hanni yela le sino de ye teke about Usain Dabo kal nako abe damendo kunung abe wole to bi na mantambala. Abe damendo kunung abe wole to bi na mantambala. So I nal to lo pareta wolo ketala. Pruoli si. Ya to lo bula le patio lead and consequently asnana banko lead no. So I nal to lo kanyin diamo si fal sambanam patio kono. Ndol militant solo party supporter solo al ben silandila le ali ben silandila le and wo manyan na kala al manyan nan silandila kabiri 1996 everybody is comfortable Usenu Dabo kamem for wolam nyinti ko ni ye kunisino la hani election of Bantandesan. This remind me of 2021. 2021, the following day in Tata Pipeline. I was shocked. But the kebabe nyaming abe fan comport. Abe nyaming before election, abe wole nyama o samo fana, o sinindingo fana, o sinindinko. Ay patiyo muta nyobal, ala kodo be lose. Ala friends will lose. ala contract will be loose. At that time, before Ousainou Darboe do na political con, momoro nimpara lawyer yala. Ni Ousainou manke la number 1, take la number 2 leti. At that time, Ousainou la kabo America, kata Olympic game o jibang, kabo Gambia kata Olympic game o jibang America. Ani nyinke ba aliyamere nyinke ba lube faka nye dalilo le asabu. So, wata altolu funding keolu, wala ntolu funding keolu. Ntolu nyanta atraila le nga nyinke ba alsilo no maninko nse ketano. Tonya, dunia ka fatale, jamano is different. But I will urge you, the mayors and the chairmen. Alinkana nyonane. Alinkana nyonane, because I will tell you a story here. They said there is a story, a gentleman whose father happened to be very rich. Afankamayata. Kebata da kebata, ala din keba, abe koronto nimpuruka keta. Aka dokolu, anadokolu ka konaif. Pura keba, iba keba undermine la nyaming. Ibe wolla je, keba do be korosikan, because aka kullolu forward. Lundo wakai ko, akai kumakilimbe dan lala walad. Akai, the methods that you're using to undermine your father, which you're using your own brothers, is the same method that your brothers will learn from you, and when you succeed your father, is the same method they are going to use to undermine you. Akai sitani hakilola. Akai sitani hakilola de. The same method that you're using to undermine your father with your brothers. Don't forget that your brothers are learning those same methods. When you succeed in replacing your father, your brothers will use the same method to undermine you. Okay, kele. Nkanyi mfo dalilo menka mwolemu na chiamano nina meyolu mbali danila. Alaye aninkilaye ale saniti samana mpati yokono aliensondo mul tankunde. Hey, ndolo fana mbejanka borin jamala lekede. Atoli yalo amal kumpa. The practical example is Spain, diaspora convention. Another convention is coming in Seattle. Ndolo chapter solo jang chiamano lina executive mbe borin na suto nintile kana domondingolo kafuno nyoma kamulu encourage. I'm telling you, after the 2021 election, there don't know fatigue lekata. It was a really very hard job to come with strategies. Kajeko, wo don't know fatigue ning mba replace la ni munela. No strategy lu samanang. Alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. Chapter dol men yalonko ni attack misal fe kodo tatel account ke salonko ye for ila annual fundraising nemu. Sometimes ni annual fundraising bina fan kodo bukatel account. Alhamdulillah, some of those chapters now, they have money in the account. With the little strategies, na chapter chairman or the executive or call mentamandi. In call beke, I told them the beneficiary because I told the wakil the kunga give the devil its due. I told the wakil the altara swokon al blood poto kono. Nganyim beke I told the mbe borin nina dimbali bita loud mbe na kodolu bondila. Tumado na musolo ka sola mbulu fengola. Nkambang fondol fengol personally mbata lante fengol. Sometimes na muso ka sola kodo la pour family wala kodo nka mbuka okay nkata nka kuka mi alanko for the party. Yes. Wala badi ngol be sola mbulu fendola fenda mbulu badi nkata nka for the party. Nka obeke menka mawulum Gambia ni Gambia bota. Na badi mansola mbulu fenna. Because to wabuduja mobu kajiki badinna. Ika jiki system wala. Ika doku kele ka salary soto. Lafita wala o banko kan andu nin diaspora mo jamali be chiamanol ning atuli membe njiben kan menu be diaspora jam men be Gambia albe lafita wala. Woto mbe chiaman na chiamanol ni na mayolu na funding keolu meni yalon ko be doku kendola in KMC, Brikama Area Council, LRR, Banjul City Council, I am going to repeat again. I'm going to urge you to try by all means ale sanity samanang nyindiamole fa. Nyindiamole banga bekele nyamen ko ngalon ne ko party leadership ibe dokol men tamande kang. I know. Diaspora executive dokol men tamande kang ibe dunnim fintol nindiamol nin telefonol men. I know. But abunga ba be mu atulu mo sabol delt. Talib, Yankuba, Rohe. Ali telefono sika. Ni online many nyo sabol menna. Ali molu sensitize. Kaje ko kafo e komenko. Alingan na preferential soto. But nkana wali, nkana sonka, nkana kuya. It is your responsibility. You owe us. You owe the party, you owe the country, and you owe the people many along call from mantra party okono. But Jikobe UDP le. Ibe lafiri UDP win in 2026. Alinga ala make so ale sanity samanam party okono. Ala make so ale diama la promotorol ye. Many alonko yajeko to them is you are the best or it's normal, it's democracy anyanta kala wala nyama. But I advise aliaita ndila komenko alinga ka kilingoti. Prunga different minds also to come more different people also to men bekel na preference. O manya nati nanda mali ya kuya. O manya nati nanda mali ka nyoneng. O manya nati nanda mali ka nyo accused tribalism la. Definitely speaking, omanya nakela leadership manke ko bebe kela la bantale. Leadership is all about communication. How are you going to communicate matters? Mi alonko atela followers or hamla and atela institutional hamla. Communication is very important from leadership. Leadership is all about kela followers or location no more tenkundi. Wole mu leadership la pro Gambia be kolea bala kono nimbota na chiamenol to minantol fongol tontol be alkana discourage alkana demotivate. This is the party of Solo Sandeng, is the party of Sajo Kunjansane, the party of Femi Peters. This is the party of Ajiam Sek, the party of Madam Yabo Ajasuka Inaka, the party of Usainu Dabo. This is a party, and I will repeat, the party Mia Lonko survived more than 2 decades of one of the most brutal dictators in the country. Until we sent him into exile to produce somebody to be the president, even though I Njamfanya Onyanyama. This is the party Mia Lonko yemfa yembute yemfanyol bute ye fa ye lipa ye sorong ye bay yen mbebay kata exile alinkana nyina jela. This is not the time to be despondent. This is not the time to be despondent. This is the time of renewal of commitments to the values, the good values of the party. This is the time for us to talk to each other, motivate each other, encourage each other to know that what is at stake is bigger than every individual person. This is a time to tell our fellow Gambians who are not affiliated with parties to make sure we come together. We come together and salvage this nation. We come together to have a government that is going to put the resources of the country into the business of the country and the citizens. Nyinemu the time mi yalon ko mbedi amula nyoy kayta ni nyola ko banko kano sitale mete banko kanla, but this time around is so special. Anumba Flaleko, the party leadership will settle this matter, because Konga Fale Nyameng, every situation in life is a double-edged sword. If you have a problem, you're going to learn from the problem to have a solution. But let me tell each and every individual, party process and protocol and multi party pressurized, the party leadership are not going to be pressurized to change those things because near change be. So I'm a problem do for another, they have to change. And we are going to expect different problems at different times. So there is no way the party leadership need to be pressurized to do what they are not supposed to do. I want all of see them because ninga changes can inga preso kamang we do something different. Ning another problem nada we are going to do something different. And I am 100% so. On the 28th, UDP Ladies Corner and in UDP Women's Wing. If rally mensotla and I believe, let's listen to the party leader. Abning altala man so sunta man sasa man kura man fa bitala jila alingal lamo ala diamola. Ando alingala diamo muta abe memfala. Janimbe diamo banna mbal tentula mbal beja ila le time menso do kela mo na diamo jam fata ma intennum praye jam fa bar fonsina nga kacha sa woten na je fonsa diamo. Mbal tentula wala mbal jayila. Mbal dan la fana nga dua ala man sola kairola ala ma banko sola kairola. Ala wo mari banko 2026 adama barola man sakunda e boje. Alama ale ndi manga mansakunda soto mansakunda mi alonko asenna banko do ku ko tubabu du banko le benyame e bayila ko nte sinna banko kan te fintila kata dula do namanke holiday lti alimbe nga duwa wala alimbe nga walk towards that bari men dia mo conclude la menna na chapter mul be janne de barakati na chapter mul to manke la chapter na chapter mul on the 4th of October. We are going to Vienna. We have our fundraising. Na asobilu bonditale. Asobilu bonditale 40 euro borde alia albeye asobilu sang. Sisla. Alenyim video luta aliye share. Atul mini alon kale follow wajamal sota aliye share. Ali asobilu sang. Ala la ticketolu book, ala la hotelolu book nga ben Vienna on the 4th of October 2025. Nga the biggest fundraising kiji nga kodiba kafunyoma kodo mi alon kana manan kafunyoma ana manan kafunyoma nga kafunyoma for the party. Alinkana discourage alingam pare. 2026 is a year it's only for us to lose. But nil lafit and lose no lede. It's our year. It's our year. But if we wanna lose, we are gonna lose. But if we put our everything together, I am quite sure we are going to win 2026. But I'll no encourage men be Germany, men be Switzerland, men be Luxembourg, men be Holland, men be Belgium, men be Austria. Mbe benna Vian on the 4th of October, party leader be Nigeria and deputy party leader and in London Sane, or baby Nigeria. Party leader na delegation of baby Nigeria. Akana fo mo koma ali prepare kabrin sai mbali tentula mbali jayila mbafala le komenko diamo mandia konka memvo tuzuru wala mko ntolu meno ka diama tolu meni kala moy atolle hakilo watan tolti ninga kuma fo manya na memfola nimbulata mo men kasida o manke nganiyete mbali dan la alsiyam fumma amanke nganiyete de Komen kamo lanyin, kamo tonyi, hani. Omanke nanganiyati. Nanganiya momenti wale mu to have each other together. Nga nyo soto, nga nyo muta, ntole mbadin kilingo, ntole ngania kilingo soto. Nga ke kilingoti, puru nga banko bondi. Inshallah Gambia la debinala, and inshallah UDP la debina. Personally, bilen komita katambe kununna. Bilen pareta ka patiyonin support katambe kununna. Bilen pareta ka banko bondi dinko kona katambe kununna. And I want everybody to have that mentality. I want everybody to have that philosophy in your head. I want everybody to be prepared to renew your commitment towards the party. I am telling you, UDP is a solution to the country. And I am telling my fellow Gambians, in Mantri, man affiliate with any other political party, let them join us. Nga Banko Bondi. UDP is the solution. UDP is the solution. Ali joining kang mbe boring men na konga memfo on the 4th of October mbe Viana na asobil finta asobi Gambia na altata gas chapter la Facebook or to page auto albe information ol jeleje albe jumale le contact la Gambia albe jumale le contact la in Germany albe jumale le contact la Switzerland Mamoun Cissé be Switzerland le aja Aminata Babe Germany Bamba Marombe be Austria Fatou Marombe Holland Netherlands ya Binta Manka be Belgium Omar Keita be Luxembourg Nimmo worolu be ngebe to faale jannal se contact non pralla asobilu bari also mo fanan contact non mi yalonko ba on informational dolu bon la gas chapter la saya fansum bank account so bank account ol bejile also joro keno le alina information ki alla country coordinator li alla country coordinator bina coordination kala kajo ko ali alla asobi soto isasa no le ni be Gambia Isasa no la hani be Sweden. Isasa no la hani be America. Ibe dawra isasa no la pour que party support. Ifana at least ila penisa dum bang party la kokun banko bota wati ifana se sino yava mfana nga asobi sanne nga gas chapter la asobi sanne. Gas chapter asobi sanne for 40 €. This is the party of single Nyas. Mr. Balde is still the party of Femi Peters, the party of Solo Sandeng, the party of Nogonjai. Mr. Balde, this is still the fundamental foundation of the party, this party. These are the people who paid the ultimate sacrifice, their lives. Imake Fenkama, their family lost them. They didn't do it for nothing but for the country to be salvaged, for the country to be respected, for the country to be on the same level with all respected countries. It is still the same party, led by Honorable Usainu A.N.M. Dabo. And they are sitting down, thinking how to solve all these problems. Nimbruhaha will be solved. Nimbruhaha will be solved, Mr. Balde. Don't worry about that. Ngal be kontong, nga falia ala baraka bake. Nkontanta, ali alla taimota, ali alla moy. Ntolu rifirafolu, ntolu mondingolu. Atulle hakilolu watantolti, atulle intelligentantolti. Bari alna nak ntolle ke diamulalti. Nkontanta ali alla moyna. Almanna dindi yaji benje. Almanna placinta yaji benje. Almanna fuare yaji benje. Barinkake menka mankake UDP patila kamankake bankola kama. Lafita menna ngaka killing with badin killing UDP kan killing. UDP kan killing. Ngaka odron nakama. Billahi. Ngaka odron nakama UDP kan killing. Alinga nyomuta ngaka killing with nga patio institutional nga bunya nga respect. Nga protocol bunya anunkana discourage. It's not the time to be discouraged. It's not the time to be despondent. It's the time, yes, to be frustrated, to be angry, but not to give up. Never. UDP forward. Ala baraka bake ngalbe konton. Fulus drame nyol, Lamin Kante nyol, Sisla Jada nyol, Mac Jani nyol, albebe jiben dola ja ngalbe konton. You know, ngalbe konton man. Nkontanta Yankuba Sane nyolu. You know, Lamin Konate nyolu. You know, Omar Fati nyolu, Absise nyolu, ngalbe konton Alaji El Fati nyolu, Bintu Diba nyolu, Bakari Njai nyolu, Modu Manka nyolu, ngalbe konton Surahata Fati nyolu, Aja Fati, Alex Turel, Sisla, Tunata Kotenke, Alaji Singate, Lamin Baro, Joe Kamara, Ansu Jamme, ngalbe konton, you know, na Sister Zainab, ngalbe konton, Bisu ngay fanan konton, Surahata Fati, you know, ngal konton, Ansu Jamme, Moro Bitunkara, you know, Matida Keta, Mfangola Darlin, Bas Sahil Samate, ngalbe kontong, Aisatu Darame, ngalbe kontong, you know, Ibrahima Conte, Alaji Jabi, ngalbe kontong, Mbafala Ala Baraka, Bakari Moro nyolu, Kadimanja nyolu, Lamin Konate nyolu, Musa Seidi nyolu, Lamin Tal nyolu, Keba Sise nyolu, ngalbe kontong, you know, Seni Maro nyolu, sira suso nyolu ngal be kontong aja fati nyol mbuka message le rino bigo nimbe diamo la mun kala nga concentrate ni kawna sa wala adna se hu drame nyolu ngal be kontong suntuku maro nyolu ngal fanam be kontong mba falali ala baraka usenu kisi manjang kete jombulu nyolu ngal be kontong arzigal arad ngal be kontong keba sise nyolu lamin kante matida fango dingo alaji kemba lamin kante nkafo lem fango dingo da alaji kemba ngi fanan kontong moro ngal be kontong Suleiman Fadera ngal be kontong ba seku ngal be kontong yaya damfa Bootkambi ngal be kontong Mam June ngal be kontong Utman Bundabo Ansu Jame Foma Sise ngal be kontong Baut Kambi ngal be kontong mbafalali ala baraka bake Lamin Baz ngal be kontong Sidu Mokhtar ngal be kontong and who is that again Momo Bejang Abubakar Dabo nyolu Ramatullah Sise nyolu Keba Sise nyolu ngal be kontong ngal be tentu ali ala time ol men soto kana ke lamoyna ani menu binan lamoy la nyatonto bari mbal dan la koten gatul men famo be nyima sar nyolu ngal be kontong alina ala share. I want all of you to share so that mo jamal se lamoy ala ibu samate Ibu Samate nyolu ngal be kontong Jilanka Jamme Aisa Sedi Khan ngal be kontong mbafalale ko Albea Sea Papis Bojang ngal be kontong Bamba Masna brother Bamba meta no I'm very sorry about that Esa Jawla ngal be kontong na brother mbafalale ala baraka definitely speaking ala baraka Saho Apps Sane Nyancho Sane Mizut Ozil Samate ngalbe konton Baka Conte, Ansu Jaju, Ansumana Jaju, Musa Seidi, Suleiman Fofana, Mbafalal Beko ala baraka, ningamen mammenu fango tofo. Na kontondo be wolle fangole, kebe kausu nyolu, mbalbe konda 4 days sise nyolu, Mbafalal ko ala baraka bake, ala baraka. Amadou Dabo ngo fanan jem so fanan konton Bambo Kante Mark Jane ngi fanan jem fanan konton Tida Minte ngalbe konton Sana Samate Sambo Dabo ngalbe konton doli asafening mande kangola okay ma mitol sute barbitum momo be jangal be konto ngamen tofo mammen tofo ngal be konto alaji danso ngal fanam be konto AFC Cisse ngal be konto jete kaba ga jete kaba domo bolo kaba bosi balo ngi fanam konto Bakseki my brother Ismaila Fadera mfango dingo ngi konto Usman Obi Toure KB Kausu King Salasi B yes my brother ngi fanam konto I hope ML Jabi nge fanan kontong Alaji DK nge fanan kontong Humble Bambas nge fanan kontong ala baraka bake Dabo Jula nge fanan kontong Seni Sane ngal be kontong ngamenu tofo Telo Tash nge fanan toje nge kontong Jamal Mambure nge kontong Bafule Baraka Jeneba Jadama nge fanan kontong Aisa Sedikan ngi kontong Tida Minte yes ngi to tofule Lamin YS Dabo ngal fanam be kontong al kilin na la Tijan Dabo Kutubo Toure ala baraka Santos baraka bake thank you very much Jibril Abdullah Gomez ngi fanam kontong Sana Samate Fatumane mbale be kontong na Mursiata Lamin Manjang masallah alhamdulillah malbe konton na Ibo Cisse nyulu fulus drama nyulu mfango dingo Dabo Jula Aliou Alman nka NPP la campaign manager Momodou El Kambi na Mola Kambi ngalbe konton ala baraka bak ala barakante mo be to fo no la bar bitungo nga men to fo ma men to fo koto bax nyolu be ina ngal be konton ala baraka baka alama ale yal bejo alama ale yal jol ngani yola alama ale banko tanka alama ale banko so kairola ala umare alama ale banko kisa 2026 alama ale mansakunda samana mansakunda mi alan ko sa banko bondi dinko kono ala baraka baka. Thank you very much.